Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to explain how Chime's Credit Builder secured credit card works and how it can help you build your credit. So for those unfamiliar, Credit Builder is a unique secured card offered by the financial app Chime. It has no annual fee and no interest. So what exactly is a secured credit card? It allows you to put down a cash deposit upfront, which becomes your spending limit. This helps build credit since you can only spend the money you've set aside. Using Credit Builder itself is straightforward. First, you'll need an active Chime checking account and to receive at least $200 in monthly direct deposits. This will then qualify you to apply for a Credit Builder within the Chime app. And once approved, simply transfer money from your Chime debit account into your new Credit Builder secured account, as this becomes your available credit. Now you can use your virtual Credit Builder card to make purchases anywhere Visa is accepted. And your purchases are deducted from the secured balance. So overspending is not something that you need to worry about. A great feature is safer credit building, which automatically pays your balance on time each month. This builds your credit by ensuring 100% on-time payments that you can toggle this on your own in your account settings. Now let's discuss credit reporting. Chime provides monthly updates including your on-time payments, account age, and current balance. Importantly, Chime does not report your credit limit or the utilization rate. This prevents high utilization from impacting your score. While having a balance is normal, keeping it low and making consistent on-time payments helps maximize credit building. And over time, members see average score boosts of 30 or more. The bottom line is that Chime Credit Builder offers an easy pathway to establish credit history through responsible use. Plus, applying is quick and there are no fees to get started or any annual costs that you have to worry about. Check out Chime's Credit Builder to make building credit a no-brainer. If you found this informative video helpful or enjoyable to watch, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tips on leveraging such fintech applications. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you next time.